Wherever you go here, no homeless people, no beggars in the streets, no thieves, no drugs. You want to live here, you must have a job or have money.
So as we're stopping by, let me just show you some of the items that they sell here. All kinds of very interesting things. It is so freaking awesome. I love it.
The one in the middle, his name is Khalifa, Burj Khalifa. He's named after him. He's the ruler of Abu Dhabi and the president of our country. He is a boss. The one on the top, that is the father of Khalifa, the one who made the union between the 7 Emirates and became the first president ever of United Arab Emirates. In United Arab Emirates, we have 7 Emirates. Each Emirate is different. An Emirate is like a state. In our case, each Emirate has a king. Each Emirate has its own rules and regulations. Each Emirate has its own sources of income. Abu Dhabi, the one in the middle, Khalifa is the ruler of Abu Dhabi. Abu Dhabi is the richest, the strongest and the biggest, not Dubai. Dubai is number 2. The ruler of Abu Dhabi rules the whole country. The richest, it has a lot of oil. They make in a year more than 30 billion US dollars. And here in United Arab Emirates, we do not have central economy. We don't share the money with each other. We have poor Emirates, we have rich Emirates. Only Dubai and Abu Dhabi have the right to decide, the veto right. The other 5 Emirates, Sharjah, Ajman, Ras Al Khaimah, Quwain, Al Fujairah, they are poor. They live mainly from fishing and trading, and they don't have the right to decide for the country. They don't have the veto right. They make a decision and Dubai or Abu Dhabi says no, the veto, then it's no. The king of Dubai comes in the second place as power, the vice president and the prime minister of the country. Each emirate has its own sources of income. The main source of income in Dubai is tourism and investment. Dubai, the oil here, 5% of our income. That's why many shops are closed at the moment, because there was no tourism. Unfortunately, there was no tourism, they didn't make enough money. In the whole country, the 7 Emirates, rules and regulations are different based on the royal family. In Dubai, since we depend on tourism, we have nightclubs, bars, alcohol drinks, very liberal place. The one next to Dubai, Sharjah, as conservative as Saudi Arabia. The one next to Sharjah, Ajman, the factory of alcoholic drinks. Every emirate is completely different. How many people live in the whole country? 10 million people. Arabs and expats. Arabs, 10%. Only 10% Arabs. And 90% expats. The majority are from India and Pakistan. 50%, half of the population. The reason here, as a tourist, with a tourist visa or visa on arrival that you have, it is legal for you to look for a job here. Unlike any other country, when I visit your country, as a visitor, I cannot work. Here you can. Many people come here on a visit visa and they like the city, they decide to stay. It is legal. If you look for a job now and you find a job, stay. As simple as this. And it takes 1 week. 1 week to change your visa status from tourism to residency visa. Within 1 week. And you are staying with us. You don't have to learn our language, no integration courses, you don't have to leave the country. It's so simple here. How much money could you make? A lot of money. That is the place where you can get rich easily. The best part about making money in this place here in United Arab Emirates, we don't pay any income taxes. Social taxes, property taxes, road taxes, 0, 0, 0, 0. Whatever you are earning, income taxes, whatever your income is, completely yours. So it's easy to be rich. It's easy to be rich. I want you now to take a minute and think how much money could you have saved. If you are earning the money here, you are paying a lot of income taxes in your countries. Here we don't. And there is no limit to how much money you're making. As per the law, we don't have a minimum wage. You have to negotiate. If you have no education, no skills, you will be in the category of unskilled. If you have good education or skills, you will be in the category of skilled people. We have two categories, skilled and unskilled. Unskilled, they will be struggling. Cleaners, construction laborers, they will be making in a month about $500. But in this case, the company will have to provide them by housing and transport and health insurance, as it's illegal here to be homeless. No homeless people, no beggars in the streets, no thieves, no drugs, no pickpocketing, never. The city is 100% safe. If you are in the skilled category, blue collar jobs, the jobs that you make money, the highest paid jobs here are jobs related to real estate, computer, and medications. At least $12,000 in a month. So how much money you can make is your decision, based on your skills. And health insurance here is always private. Has nothing to do with your income or your age. Just you have to buy it. It costs in a year about $200. If you don't want to spend any money on it, you know that you are healthy, you don't want to, up to you. It's not mandatory as well. In Dubai here we have nightclubs, we have bars, we have churches, we have mosques, we have temples for Hindus and Jews. We celebrate Christmas, Diwali, Ramadan. Preaching for any religion is prohibited here. You will never find someone knocking in your door or standing in the streets holding a sign, believe in Jesus or Muhammad or God. It's against the law here. The official religion of the state here is, what do you think?
Tourism.
Money. It's all about money here. No one really cares about your beliefs. We have it all here. Everyone can live how you are, how you want. It's all about money here. Safety, tourism. Cost of living here is very cheap compared to the money people here are making. Take one bedroom apartment in downtown or in Marina, one bedroom apartment, monthly rent, $2,000 maximum. You take in this residential areas here, $800, $1,000 maximum. So it's easy to be rich in this place. And water can cost as expensive or more expensive than oil. So you can full tank your car here cheaper than full tank your car with water. Because it doesn't rain here. And the water we have over there, that is the water, salt water, coming from the Arabian Gulf. So it's very salt water. The water we drink is from water desalination. We don't have sweet water. No lakes, no rivers here. Questions? Wherever you go here, no homeless people, no beggars in the streets, no thieves, no drugs. You want to live here, you must have a job or have money. No other option. If you lose your job, but you have money, you can stay. So job or money. If you have a job, but your money is less, you can stay. You have lost your job, but you have money, you can stay. No job, no money, you have 1 month. Find another job or get kicked out. No one is jobless here, no one is homeless here. Even the concept of refugees, we don't have it. Everyone is so welcome to come and live with us, but you have to work and make your own money. The system here is very clever. Use the manpower in the right way. Questions? Okay. We will take a walk this way now to the old city.
You guys, have you heard this? No homelessness. If you're homeless, you get kicked out. Only 10% of the population is Emirati. Only 10%. The rest of it is immigrants. They don't require a special visa for you to come here and work. You just come here on a tourist visa, depending on where you're from, and you can stay if you have a job. If you don't have a job, you gotta go home. They don't care. You gotta go. 1 month to find a job, or you get kicked out. No drugs, no crime. They don't play around. They don't play around. So it's a very safe area. And come to think of it, I haven't seen a police officer yet. I have to check it out. No income taxes, no property taxes, no taxes at all. You just work and live. That's it. The government doesn't take zero from you.